Alright, hello everyone, this is going to be Jay, and I'm going to talk about how to get a 90 or above in AP Computer Science. So 90% of AP Computer Science is basically just making apps. So today we're going to make an application that adds numbers. So first we're going to title this A Good AP Computer Science Project. Save it. And first we have to design our application. So we're going to have two inputs for the users, and we're going to say the first good number that will be added, and then this one will be the second good number that will be added, and then there's going to be two inputs. So yeah, and then this next one, this next screen will be the output screen. So let's just put this thing here, and then also for screen one we're going to have a calculate button. So we have this thing, and then we put the calculation of numbers, and then we go back to we code now. So we have these two inputs, and then we have on screen two this output. So we're gonna have an on event for this button, the calculation of numbers, which is button 1, and then when it clicks, we're going to have some variables also. There's going to be two input variables and one output variable. So the input variable will be first number, and then the output would be second number, and then the other output would be, the only output will be added numbers, and then these two are inputs. Alright, so now we have to define our variables inside here. I mean, you can define it over here, but I just want to put it here. We're going to have 3 of the same variables. And then so the added number will be the first number plus the second number. So that's how we put first number plus second number. And then the first number will be whatever number is in this text input box. So we go to UI, we go to get number. So we get the number for both of them. So this the first one will be text input 1, the second one will be text input 2, and then so that's all we have for the input part. Now for the output part, we need to set the screen over here, set the screen to screen number 2. So we do that, and then we have to set the text of this text area to a good word. So we set the text of text input area 3 to the good math man says that the number will be, and then we have to add, so the added numbers will have to be displayed. So yeah, that's basically all we have to do. Alright, so now we go back, and then we run the application. 1, 2, and it's 3. So yeah, that's how to get at least an A in this class. Alright, I'm gonna try to use this application for calculus because I really don't know how to add. Alright, bye-bye.